So hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Yamin. Today in this video we'll be doing a revealing teaser of Shraddha Gold Crest developed by Shraddha Prime Projects Limited, Gansham Nagar, Kandivali West, Mumbai. I am here standing at the actual location and this is the actual site of the project. As you can see, this is the surrounding of the project. So taking you ahead further, but before that, let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home with your favorite developer through Housey. Also in this teaser, we'll be discussing about the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. So let's talk about the project overview of Shraddha Gold Crest. That will be constructed over 0.68 acre of land parcel having one tower. Each tower will be having ground plus 4 level of podium plus 23 story residential floors having premium residences of 1 and 2 BHK. Now talking about the location part. This project is located near SV Road, Gansham Nagar, Kandivali West, Mumbai. Talking about connectivity, MG Road is just 500 meters away from this project. Dhanukarwadi metro station is just 2.2 km away from this project. And D-Mart, your and my favorite, is just 2.5 km away from the project. Now talking about the amenities part. This project has 15 plus luxurious amenities with likes of gymnasium, kids play area, senior citizens sit out area, yoga and meditation area and much more. Talking about the carpet area of Shraddha Gold Crest, it has premium residencies of 1 and 2 BHK. 1 BHK has 406 square feet carpet area, 2 BHK has 598 till 658 square feet carpet area. So now let's discuss the booking process. Project booking window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project in detail with the help of a 3D model. We'll tell you the pricing and payment schemes too. We'll show the actual location of the project. And if the client like it, they may proceed ahead with a token amount. So everyone, this was the entire teaser of Shraddha Gold Crest developed by Shraddha Prime Projects Limited, Gansham Nagar, Kandivali West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.